Hey, what is up, guys? So, today we're going to be talking about key productivity habits. First thing we'll start off with, always have a to do list. So simple yet so effective. Update it every day. Do your most important tasks first. Manage your energy, not just your time. What time of day are you most productive, most creative? If you're most creative in the morning, do your most creative tasks then. If you're not creative in the afternoon, do more monotonous tasks then. Set yourself up the night before. Establish priorities the night before. Hit the ground running each day. This is very important because if you wake up the next morning, say you didn't prepare the night before and you wake up the next morning and you didn't set your schedule or or your routine and you just wake up and go with the flow, it kind of throws you off course from having a set goal and a set purpose. So it's very important that you have a set purpose and a set priorities for the day and that you set them the night before. Create a morning routine. Have the first hour of the day to yourself. Sets the tone for the rest of your day. Ideas, meditation, stretching, journaling, walking, reading. My favorites are walking, journaling, and meditation. Reading. Everything is very good because this will allow you to self reflect on yourself and it will allow you to self reflect on yourself and for gratitude and for the most important things in life other than the things that you have to do, like family, friends, and your household, such as the blessings you have. It's always good to write in affirmations. It's always good to walk and to have a clear mind, to read. What I typically like to do is to read, but read on self development books or like The Law of Attraction or Think and Grow Rich, books like that. And meditation is always good, at least 5 to 10 minutes, even if it's not in the morning, throughout the day. Take some time to like 5 to 10 minutes throughout the day just to have a breather and to reflect on yourself. Sit up straight while working. This increases alertness and energy. Just try it. It's always good to try new things and to break the bad habits. Work in a cooler environment. Cooler temperatures keep you more alert. I mean, anybody would rather work in a cooler temperature than in a hot temperature because in a hot temperature you feel more as if claustrophobic, where you can't breathe. It doesn't feel right. Chunk your work. Create micro goals each day. Set short blocks of time to get work done. Take breaks. Breaks actually make you more productive. Focus on cognitive function drops over time. 5 to 10 minute breaks every hour. Longer breaks a couple times per day. This is very important if you're a digital publisher and you find yourself, say you find yourself spending 2 hours on something or you're making a course. It's always good to reflect 5 to 10 minutes, like how I said about meditation. Just reflect like 5 to 10 minutes, or go get a drink, maybe call a friend, whatever. Just have a break and just to regain your focus and to regain your energy, so you won't feel as if you won't feel drained. Time blocking. Block off time on your calendar to do certain tasks. This is a commitment. Apply the 80/20 principle. Prioritize what really matters. Scale what works best. Change your environment if you feel stuck. Gamify as much as possible. This means finding a way to make a game out of your task. One way I know how to gamify my task in the online digital publishing world is simply just cross linking everything. So when I post something like a YouTube video, I would take a clip of it and post it on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, on other social platforms. But it makes it cool Or if I have a podcast, and I'll break into YouTube and then on the social platforms. But this makes it better because I have a clear vision on what I want to break down and to who I'm going to target. Use an Eisenhower box. Create box with following with these following four categories. 1. Urgent and important tasks to do immediately. Important but not urgent. Tasks to schedule to do later. Urgent but not important. Tasks to delegate to someone else. And this is very good for business if you want to outsource, because there's a lot of things in business that are urgent but they're not important, or vice versa. And there are things you want to outsource to other your VA or to other people on your team. So you can only focus on what you have to focus on to make the business more revenue. Neither urgent nor important, just tasks to eliminate and to simplify your day. Create processes. Streamlines your work, allows you to outsource. This is like what I was saying about the gamify, is when I cross-link everything and make it more simplified, and it allows me to streamline everything. Be around productive people. This will automatically make you more productive and inspire you. Take vacations. Allow yourself longer periods of rest. Vacations where you just relax and reset. You'll come back even stronger. Kind of like having a 5 to 10 minute break, but vacations are always needed to step away from somewhere, to just get out the way for a little bit and to see travel and go be somewhere else. This is all for today. Like and subscribe. Click the link below if you want to have a stronger mind, spirit, and body, to see how you can self-reflect on yourself and grow even better in your productivity. All right, guys, stay tuned for the next video. Peace.